Check it out, y'all. It's day after meatloaf sandwiches. Just slice them a little thinner, put them on the bun there. With a little bit of ketchup. Not much, just a little. Just for flavor. Yeah, that's my dinner on tonight. I made that for dinner last night. We had meatloaf, mashed potatoes, gravy, and sweet corn. If y'all follow us on Facebook, you can check out the pictures I posted on our page there. Our link is listed on our About page of our YouTube channel. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna give them a straight on 5. It just doesn't get any better than a homemade meatloaf sandwich. It's just the bomb. It's so good. It's one of my favorites. You know, when I worked at a junkyard, I'd always make this stuff and I'd take it to work at the yard. And I'd eat these things cold right out of the fridge. They were so good, just even that way. So, yeah, my own special recipe. And it's got something special in it. I put some cookies, barbecue sauce in my mix. And it comes out perfect every time. I learned how to make meatloaf when I worked at a care center. And when I was in my early 20s. That's where I learned my recipe, how to make meatloaf, and I carried it out of there on my own, made my own kind, so now it's really good. And it's not super thick either. That's the key to this kind. There y'all have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out our playlist for many more videos like this. And hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.